Today we are reviewing Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2023. Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2023 has display size of 6.5 inches with the display type of IPS LCD with 1080 by 2400 pixel with 120 Hz refresh rate. The processor on this phone is MediaTek Dimensity 930. The RAM on this phone is available in 4GB or 6GB. The internal storage available on these phones are 128GB or 256GB. The rear camera has megapixel of 50 megapixel for main camera with 2 megapixel macro with 2 megapixel depth. The front-facing camera has 16 megapixel and the battery life available on this phone is 5000 mAh. The operating system on this phone is Android 13. The Moto G Power 5G 2023 is an affordable mid-range smartphone that offers a good balance of features and performance. It has a large display with a 120 Hz refresh rate for a smooth scrolling and gaming, a powerful processor, and a long-lasting battery. The camera system is decent, but not the best in its class. Overall, the Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2023 is a good option for those looking for an affordable, mid-range smartphone with a large display, powerful processor, and a long-lasting battery. This was a review for Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2023.